Courts are reopening. Lights, cameras, action, video testimony. In the last week, the team at Abrams Landau Limited had several trials. I'm Doug Landau from Abrams Landau Limited in Herndon, Virginia. This week we tried a case for a Northern Virginia HVAC technician who injured his knee and required 2 surgeries from Ortho, Virginia. How'd we do it? Online with the free WebEx program that the state of Virginia is using and has adapted for these proceedings, just like we did for our mediation a week ago. On the screen were 8 people: the judge sitting in Manassas, the judge's assistant in Fairfax, the insurance company defense lawyer in Oakton, Virginia, my Prince William County client, our eyewitness, the client's wife, and a state court reporting computer technician in Richmond, Virginia. The video and audio worked just fine. The witnesses were able to testify, and the lawyers and judges were able to ask questions and present their case. Witnesses were placed in virtual soundproof booths until it was their turn to talk. The hard part was presenting exhibits. We filed our exhibits ahead of time. I practiced with our client and the witnesses in advance so that it would be similar to what happens in a live courtroom. You cannot leave these things to the last minute. Papers, pictures, and other pieces of evidence do not simply walk into the courtroom. Exhibits must be identified, explained, and properly admitted by a judge. In order to accomplish this, my witnesses had already in their possession copies of what I had filed with the court and defense counsel ahead of time. I was able to show the exhibit on the camera and ask the witness to look at their copy so I could talk about it with them, and they could tell the judge about the photograph, diagram, website, or document that they had a copy of. I could then properly move the exhibit into evidence without objection from opposing counsel. The case was submitted and the record was closed. No one was dropped, and we await the judge's decision soon. The team at Abrams Landau Limited looks forward to helping other clients with their virtual trials, hearings, and mediations until we can all go back to court.